In this segment, we're going to show you how to wire the Simon XT panel using two common methods. The first method, which is growing in popularity, caters to the GSM module. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication and is the most popular standard for mobile phones throughout the world. In other words, the GSM module in place can communicate with the central station wirelessly at all times. GSM modules are becoming more and more popular and can. The second method shows the installation of a standard phone line. In the battery compartment of our Simon XT, we have battery cables which are pre-terminated for you. Toward the middle of the top, we have our positive and negative battery wires. To the left of these wires, which are pre-terminated, there are two AC terminals. The HW2 terminal lies to the left of those. Next is the DC out, and finally the HW1 terminal. You can see the bay over here on the side. That's for the GSM board, which we will see in a minute. Towards the bottom on the left, we have a tamper switch, which is just a little spring. This spring tells the panel if the back is open or closed. We will go into how this tamper switch will help us in the programming section. On the bottom to the far left is an internal siren which is used for an alarm if you do not have an external siren. Take the GSM board and its antenna and connect them before you install the board itself. While the panel is still powered down, locate the GSM tray in the unit and place the GSM board in. You'll have to angle the board to slide under the retaining tabs at the top of the tray. Be sure to push the bottom of the board down into the receptacle of the tray. Lastly, route the antenna cable out the bottom of the panel. Note the serial number on the board itself. This will be necessary when you go to set up your monitoring account. Because the battery is DC current, we need to observe polarity in this step. By respecting or observing polarity, we simply mean that the positive and negative wire need to be connected to the positive and negative terminals. Locate the battery compartment in the back of the panel. There are two wires from the panel coming out of this compartment. Take and connect the battery to the terminals by attaching the black wire to the black terminal and the red wire to the red terminal. Slide the connectors over the battery terminals, ensuring a good connection. Place the wires up inside the bay, and then gently tuck the battery into the bay beneath the plastic tabs which hold it in place. When you press the battery into place, the panel may accidentally arm itself because the buttons are face down on the table. If this happens, simply turn it over, press the disarm key, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4. This rechargeable battery can take 12 to 24 hours once the panel itself is plugged in, so don't worry if it isn't charged right away. Once the power cord is wired up, but not plugged in yet, the GSM module is installed and the backup battery is in place, simply pull the slack out of your wires, reconnect the bottom hinges, and snap the panel shut. Now you have successfully wired your Simon XT with the GSM method. See the appendix to view the hardwired method of installation.